Aditya Najha from inspiredtorise.com, and today we have the XT1033 Indian variant of the Moto G 2013 updated to Android Lollipop. And as you can see, we have the notifications on screen here, and we have the lock screen. If we swipe up, the lock screen would unlock. If I swipe from here, I would go straight to the dialer. And as you can see, the dialer too has been updated. The material design is evident in everything that you do. And when I go back to the lock screen, you can see the notifications I have are present here. When I single tap on a notification, touch again to open. If I double tap on a notification, it would open by default. That's a new feature in Android Lollipop. And as you can see, we have the cards. Earlier the system interface was different, but as it was in Google Chrome, the interface has been moved to cards. You can see the icons, soft icons have been changed for a more materialized look. And we are using the custom Google Now launcher. The whole design seems very pleasant and it's really buttery and smooth to use. The phone app on the Moto G1033 has been updated to the new Google Dialer app. As you can see, the phone app has been updated, and apart from that, we would show you the version, Android version, so you don't think that we are making you any fool about phone. Here you can see Android version 5.0.2, and here's the famous Lollipop, Android Lollipop. And if you long press this, here comes the difficult game. I never even managed to score even 1 on this game. So that's all for the kernel version, the latest kernel version, system version. As you can see, Asia Retail.en.03, and right now some people are saying that this ROM that we have right now, the OTA build that we pulled out from XDA, it's not the latest version, it's not the final official version, but you don't need to worry, because any update that might come right now would be received by those people who are running this ROM. This is the official build, and you don't need to have an unlocked bootloader in order to use this ROM. As you can see, the notification panel, if I again go there, the whole toggle bar comes where we have the torch option, the torch, and the location, cast screen, airplane mode, easy settings for all toggles. And you can see here my Google Plus photo is present here, and if I click here, user, Aditya Najha, add guest, add user. I can add guest users who would get less privileges than me, and I can add more users. It's very good for enterprise level, level users who want to have a phone that has different permissions for different people. And you can see the Google Now launcher in action. The whole user interface feels pretty good from before, and you can see the whole experience is much better, and the battery life has improved little bit than before. Where do I show it to you? I keep on charging the battery in between 46%, approx 16 hours left before without the battery saver, as you can see. And with the battery saver mode on, the color scheme changes a little bit, and you can see things become somewhat different. The animations have been toned down, and the data, battery saver reduces performance, and background data has been disabled. So that was battery saver for you. And you can see the animation effects have been really they have become fluid, and the major difference comes in the ART runtime. The ART runtime pre-compiles the application code, so that the application, when you run the application, there is no noticeable lag because of the pre-compiled data. And if an application has been coded to use the ART runtime carefully and with a well-versed usage, then it would give better performance as compared to the Dalvik runtime. So here's one of my favorite games that I play, and as you will see, there would be no lag or no noticeable lag on the game, despite of the fact that my phone is full to the brim. The graphics are really good, and if you can run a game like that without lag, then you can play anything on the phone. Then you can run anything on the phone. It's a really challenging game, and as you can see, my Spider-Man got killed. So that was all for today.